What's good, guys? Waringe here. So today I want to take you on a quick tutorial on how you can upload all your content, all your projects, create your bio, add your tools and links to the Framer portfolio template. As you can see, we have projects here. You can add as many projects as you want. Add quotes to this top section, some images. You have a whole gallery over here with a masonry grid. Add some designated projects and the tools that you use and a bunch of links as well. And of course, get in touch because after seeing your amazing work, we would want to work with you. Yeah, so all of this is updated using Framer's CMS. So we have collections for every single one of these. I think I'll make a tutorial showing how you can set up a CMS collection, and I'll link it up to your actual design. But for today, I'll just be showing you how easy it is to actually just update the template. Okay, I've rambled. Let's just jump into it. So you just need to open the CMS, and you can see here we have the different collections. So we have the personal information one. So we start off by adding your name and then occupation, profile photo, and then your about. Actually, so I didn't mention this earlier, but we'll be creating the portfolio, but for the amazing and talented artist Cox. So I have his content over here. So all you just need to do is copy paste, but it's just as easy as that. So just come here and keep changing this, just adding the fields, the content to the field, and it'll update on its own. So this is just a short bio about him. Just put that in over there. Come to the this iconic photo. And it's saved, and when we come back here, you can see that that information is updated onto the site itself. So we can just move to the next thing, which is the tools. Interestingly enough, I have it. I don't have the images for these, so I'll just update them. But it's as easy as just coming and selecting and then choosing the specific image from your laptop, and it just updates it there. And as well as the tools, you can add your social links from this section as well. So all you need to do is paste it here. So if you don't want to or don't have any one of the specific links, then you can leave the section empty. So you can just remove it, and that specific icon that links to this URL will just be hidden from the final design. And then when you finally have the link and put it in, then now it'll appear. I'll just keep that for now. So the next thing we'll go to is the project listings. So we can remove all of these first. It's this simple, just dealing with forms and filling in that information, and it gets dynamically put in. So we'll come here, the projects. This is just the tag for the project. This is a print. The title is the do, and the slug is automatically set using the project title. So you can add a short description for that specific project, or you can leave it empty, and then this link will now link to the project. So if you had a sales page where people can actually buy, let's say, a digital product, or you're linking to a YouTube video of yours, or whatever else you worked on, this link would now link to that. And then all you need to do is add the preview image. So and it's that simple. And all we just need to do is save it, and it's been added. Let's add a few more. And if you come back here and you come to the projects, they've been added here. And you can add as many as you want. I didn't have the links, so I haven't put them in, but you just need to put the links in that section of the form, and when you click, then now it would take the user to that section. So next we can come and update the gallery. So the gallery has that really cool Pinterest type grid. It's called a masonry, I think. So all you have to do is come. So all you have to do is come and select image. So just come add new item, come to image specifically, and then now we'll just add images from his to his gallery. So the thing is, with the grid, what you have to do is, based off of the image, it won't automatically set the size of the image. So you have to come here, and if the images are 1 by 1 in terms of the aspect ratio, 3 by 4, 4 by 3, 16 by 9, you just select that. So this looked like a 3 by 4, I think. So we'll set that as 3 by 4, and then for the gallery, it has 3 rows. So you select which row you want the image to appear in. I know it seems like a little bit more work, but that's the workaround without having to use external tools that people have created. Kudos to the people who made them, though. But this system works well enough for now. So just need to save that. I need to add a slug, so you can just put any random. Shamelessly been pressing my keyboard just to add the slug. And you can add as many now as possible. Maybe I can show you what it looks like now, just since only one is added. You see, now we have our first image. And if we were to come here and then set its dimensions to 16 by 9, if you come to take a look at it, it now changes it. So now, based off of the aspect ratio for the image you're uploading per time, you'd select the aspect ratio that matches with that. So I can come back here and change this to even 4 by 5, add new item. Let's go with this. This was a really interesting project of his. This would be 4 by 5 as well. This can put it on the second row. Actually, I think there are 4 rows. Save. Yeah. So you can see the images have been added. Okay, so yeah, there are 4 rows. So just for optimization, as you're adding your images to the gallery, it's advisable for you to convert your images to WebP format. There are a bunch of tools online. I personally use Photopea, not sponsored, but it works perfectly for changing the file type from JPEG to WebP, so you keep the quality of your image while significantly reducing the file size, which will just help with the performance of your site. Actually, let's set this preview image for this specific section. So you just need to set it from the first one here. So the preview will be let's go with this. No, actually, let's go with this. This is nice. I think that should have. Okay, I might change that, but we can keep that for now. But you get the idea. Let's just add a few more really quick. So now we can take a look and see what the color really looks like. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So you can add as many as you want, and I can just scroll and scroll and scroll. So next we can add the image here. It's this specific one, which is image. It's just a solo image, and then you can add a link that would link to anything else you don't, maybe a post on your social media or just whatever you'd like to. Hmm. And something colorful, maybe that. So you can see how simple it is. You don't have to start messing around with the layout. I'll show you the mobile version in a bit as well. But yeah, extremely simple. You can come here and then add as many quotes as you want. Okay, not as many, but okay, so you can come here and add the quotes as well. So whatever message you would want to tell, and there are four of them, and then they just shuffle across as someone stays on the page. So now let's start adding these other projects. You can start here. So project name, okay, that's the tag. So the name is this. Then this tag is clothing. Then a bunch of description about the specific project. And then we have the preview image, which is this. And then, so what happens is you can either set a background for when the project is opened, or you can, there's a really cool grid. So that's why you can see we have all these images 1 through 6. So if you fill the images in this grid, they would pop up. But if you don't set the images, then the background image is now what's activated. So you can choose it, either one of the two. So I can show you what it looks like fast. So now all you'd have to do is add this second and third project, which have the same layout. And then this is now where the social links that you added together with the tools would appear. And then, so for this, it isn't connected to, sorry, it isn't connected to the CMS. But what you would be adding here is now this specific form. You'd need to come here and add your email. So when you add your email here, when users come and fill in the form, that email now would be sent to you. So that's the one thing you need to actually come and find inside the layout itself. So you just need to select this once and then open it on the side, and then you'd find it here. So let me just finish up adding this last projects and then you can take a look. And there you have it. That's how simple it is for you to edit the portfolio template using Framer's CMS. So thanks for taking the time. Happy designing and Godspeed.